Imagine yourself on this 2018 Kawasaki KX450F Motocross. This could be the motorcycle you've been looking for. This bike has an engine size of 449 cc's. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this one delivers a low odometer reading. A test ride is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.